Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, this presentation, I would like to present my reading journal based on the article entitled "Speaking Difficult Encountered by Young EFL Learners." This presentation will focus on three aspects. And the first, reading strategies that I applied. The second, the difficulties encountered while reading. And the last, the insight that I gained from the article. Okay, next. Pre-reading. I would like to explain the pre-reading stage. In this slide, I apply briefing and questioning strategy. I began by examining the title and abstract of the article in order to gain a general understanding of the topic. By doing this, I was able to predict that the article discussed the speaking difficult pace by young learners in a FTL context. Furthermore, I also paid attention to the structure of the article, such as the introduction and beginning to anticipate the context of the study. After that, I formulate several golden questions before reading the article in detail. For example, what are the mind speaking difficult experienced by students? And what factor contribute to this difficult? This question helped me to stay focused and quit my reading process more effectively. And the next, wishlist reading. I will explain the wishlist reading stage. Use highlighting and underlining strategy. While reading the article carefully, I focus on identifying important information related to my grading question and highlight key point and underline significant statement in the text. For example, in this highlight for the text in explain, the teacher tends to focus more on teaching grammar and vocabulary rather than speaking. It also saw that even when there is opportunity to involve students in speaking active, teacher often ignore it, ignore and continue with others tasks such as reading and reading. In addition, the text also mentioned that the situation is caused by limited time and teacher intention to complete the lesson plan. By using this strategy, I was able to identify the main ideas more agilely and understand important points of the article. And the next, post-reading. Post-reading and affiliate and reviewing strategy. After finishing reading the article, I went to back my initial question and check whether the had been answered. I also read the highlighted part to make sure that I fully understand to the context or not. Then I made summaries of the article in my own words. Based on the article, the mind speaking difficult and caught by EFL learners can be categorized into the aspect, namely linguistic difficult, inhibition, and the use of the mother tongue. This process helped me to strengthen my understanding of the article. And the next, reading difficult. The aspect is the difficult that encountered while reading the article. One, One of the my difficult was understanding academic vocabulary, such as inhibition, communicative competence, and linguistic difficulty. These terms were unfamiliar to me, so I need to infer their meanings from the context and sometimes read the sentence. Another difficult was the complexity of the sentence used in the article. Many sentences were long and contained of a lot of information, which made it difficult to understand them as one reading. However, by applying reading and highlighting strategy I was able to gradually improve by comprehension. And next, what I learned from this article, I learned that speaking is very important skill in learning English, but it is often neglected in classroom practice. The article shows that students face several speaking difficulties, such as lack of vocabulary, difficult in forming sentence, fear of making mistake, and the tendency to use their mother tongue. It also explained that these difficulties are influenced by several factors, including lack of motivation, limits opportunity to practice speaking, and ineffective teaching strategy. Therefore, this article helped me to understand the real problem faced by students in learning speaking. Again, the next conclusion. Reading strategies such as previewing, questioning, highlighting, and reviewing help me understand more effectively. They also support my research because it shows that speaking difficult are common among EFL learners. Therefore, my research is important to help improve student speaking. This reading journal table. Can you read the reading journal table? Okay, and thank you. That that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.